Okay, well, today the new tank arrived. I've had a quick look at it. It looks really, really good. As you can tell, it's a huge improvement compared to the old fuel pump. Really nice. And float moves up and down nice and easy. Can't wait to get this thing in. And look at that tank, that's beautiful. Wow. Alright, well, this weekend might be able to get it in. I don't know. Starting to get pretty cold out here, so I might have to put this off until I can tow it into Austin. So that way I can get in my nice heated garage. More to come. I'll let you know.